by the Great Lakes Towing Company in Cleveland, Ohio. Currently retired back from Wisconsin, just a little off the coast here at the Hoover Ship Channel, and she's over here with her cargo that she towed across the lake.
Looks like we should have stayed on the other side. And she has recently been active in the work since arriving in October 2014 to replace the smaller Great Lakes tug.